having a plan is an easier way to navigate through content creation. Please welcome back to my channel. If you are seeing my face for the first time, hi, my name is Thelma. Do want to hit the subscribe button, like, share, and drop a comment below. And if you're a returning subscriber, it's so great to have you back on today's video. Do want to hit the like button and share your thoughts with me in the comment section. So let's get on to business. So in today's video, we're planning content for the month of April. So today I'll be teaching you how to plan the content for a month. If you're someone that has more content ideas and you can plan for 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, that's beautiful. For in my case, I plan monthly. First off, there are a few tips and tricks when planning out your content for the month. Now, if you're a new YouTuber, some of these tips and tricks will be very important for you. But if you are an existing YouTuber, I'm sure you have an idea of a couple of them. Now, the first one is, how many times in a week do you want to upload content? If you're someone that already has this schedule worked, then that is beautiful. If you're not, decide how many times in a week you want to put out content. It's going to be 2 times in a week, it's going to be 3 times in a week, it's going to be 4 times in a week. And for someone who is starting like myself, I would advise 3 times a week, 2 to 4 times a week. 4 times a week can be quite demanding, but 2 to 3 times a week is a beautiful gap for you to put out content. So for me, I have 3 times a week. Now, number 2, you need to decide your upload time. What time do you want your videos to go up? For Nigerians, I'll say your best time are 6 to 8. Most people are coming back home, they are whining, during the week they are whining and they just want to watch something and rest for the day. Or during the weekend, they just want to watch a ton of videos. So 6 to 8 is your best time for uploading on YouTube as a Nigerian. You get what I mean? Now, pick your upload days. This is very important. Pick days that you can work with. For instance, if you're somebody that can put out content Monday, Wednesdays, Saturdays, that's beautiful. Monday, Wednesdays, Fridays, that's beautiful. In my case, I picked Tuesday, Friday, Sunday. It is always important to pick a convenient day. It's not that there are not going to be things that will come up, but picking days that you know that will be okay for you to upload content is beautiful. 4, ensure you have filming days. This can vary. Sometimes you can film that day, sometimes you can't. But try your possible best to film a day or 2. Film and edit a day or 2 before you upload. It helps. I'm still falling short in that category, in that range, but any day I don't film a day or 2, I'm always on I'm racing. I'm trying to film content in the morning, trying to edit it and have it up before then. But if you film a day or 2, you've edited it, you upload it, you schedule it, and your mind is at peace. Now, decide a weekly staple. There are several weekly staples you can pick, which are weekly vlogs, reset, meal prep, and the list goes on and on. Pick a weekly staple. If you want to have weekly vlogs, that's beautiful. If you want to have reset vlogs, that's beautiful. If you want to have clean with me vlogs, that's beautiful. If you want to have meal prep vlog, let your subscribers know that on this particular day, there's always a staple that comes. For me, it's a weekly vlog, and yes, I put out content every week. I just film content, things I do throughout the week, and I put out the content by the end of Sunday. Now, let's get down to planning proper. Now, if you are putting out content, you're planning for a month, ensure you put it down somewhere. In my case, I have a pen and a paper. I always write my YouTube plans. I always script my YouTube videos, or script my voiceover videos rather, on my YouTube book. It's written YouTube strategy book. You can't see it, but that's what's written here. So always have a plan. If it's something you do on your phone, that's beautiful. If it's something you do on your laptop, your tab, that's beautiful. For me, I prefer to do it on a pen and paper. It makes it I feel more comfortable doing it, because when I do it on my phone, I tend to get distracted. Maybe something pops up and I'm moving to the next thing. So yeah, So now, for the 4 weeks, we have 4 weeks in the month. We're initiating now to putting out 12 content in a month. I should have 12 videos every month. So for the month of April, I am to have 12 videos. Now, for week 1, I have planned out your content for the month of April, which is this video I am currently filming, which is supposed to go up today being the Tuesday. It's going up to today. By the way, happy new month. It's the 2nd of April. So plan out your content for the month of April, which is this content. Now, On Friday, I'm to have a morning routine, and then on Sunday, I have my staple, which is the weekly vlog, activities I had done throughout the week, and I put it out as a vlog. Now for week 2, we have how to create a 30-day content challenge. I'm going to be sharing how I created or how to go about creating a 30-day content challenge. Then on Friday, I'll be having a get ready. I'll be putting out a get ready with me, and then on Sunday, my weekly vlog, my weekly staple. Then for week 3 in the month of April, I'll have my morning workout routine. That's on Tuesday, and on Friday, I'll have my cooking vlog, and then on Sunday, I have my weekly vlog. Now, on the 4th week, I have how to work on yourself, how to work on self-improvement, self-growth, self-development. On Friday, I have self-care day, and on Sunday, I have my weekly vlog. Now, that's a 4 weeks content plan. Now, before you exhaust all those content, you definitely will have a fresh flow of ideas. You have what to put our plan out for the next week. And if you go on with that strategy, it makes content creation easier. Not to say that during the week, after planning out this content, you might not have different ideas. You might decide to shift. As you're filming for the month, you can decide to shift your content. You can decide to film this one before this one. It's just left at your own discretion. But having a plan for a month is beautiful. If you're having a plan, even a daily schedule is wonderful. Having to plan how your day or your week goes in terms of filming, in terms of creating content, in terms of every other thing. Having a plan is an easier way to navigate through content creation. I hope you learned a thing or two. Hit the like button. If you enjoyed this video, if it was helpful, please hit the like button. Share your thoughts with me in the comment section. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.